Hello guys, I'm David Åhlund, hanging out here at Andertons Music in Guildford, and I want to show you a little bit of the modular gear we have here. So I'm using the System 1M as a sound source, and I'll put it through the Bitrazer, Torcido and Demora effects. And also on the side I have a bunch of Aira gear as well, our classic Aira gear so to speak. We have the System 1, TB3, VT3, MX1 mixer, TR8, and just a little bit of Ableton on the side as well. Alright, so now I want to show you something really special. Using this customizer software, we can actually turn any of these EFX modules into a little cheeky synthesizer of its own. And that's done by using the LFO here in the customizer. So LFO and oscillator is essentially the same thing. So we can have this LFO act similarly to an oscillator by just turning up the rate, because the rate goes really fast and really high. So we can actually have it make some sound. Now, what we'll do is we'll patch the CV output into an amp, and the amp output into a filter just for some extra fun. We'll add a filter in between, and then patch the filter to one of the main outputs. Now we have CV and gate coming from the SBX1 here, going into the Bitrazer's input 1 and 2 here. And now we want that to be translated into the LFO. So I'll send input 1 into the LFO rate, and I'll send input 2, which is the gate signal, I'll send that into the amp. So that will trigger the amp basically. And lastly, we want to control this cutoff filter with one of the onboard knobs as well. So I'll just patch that knob number 1 into the cutoff filter. And now we should actually have some sound. And voila! There you go! You magically turn the Bitrazer or any EFX module into a little synth of its own.